my shoes. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Now let me be your salty dog, or I won't be your man at all. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Oh, pick it hard, boys. Look here, Sal, I know you run down stocking and wore out shoe. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Now let me be your salty dog, or I won't be your man at all. Honey, let me be your salty dog. I'm gonna smoke this here guitar. Wildwood sitting on a log, finger on the trigger and eye on the hog. Honey, let me be your salty dog. I pulled the trigger and the gun said go. Shot fell over in Mexico. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Let me be your salty dog, or I won't be your man at all. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Oh, watch me go. Down in the hen house on my knees, I thought I heard a chicken sneeze. Honey, let me be your salty dog. It was only a rooster saying his prayers, thanking the Lord for the hens upstairs. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Let me be your salty dog, or I won't be your man at all. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Oh, clap your hands, partners. Salty dog, or I won't be your man at all. Honey, let me be your salty dog.
Hot dog! Did y'all think a salty dog is a dog that someone's done spilled a barrel of salt on? Or is it another name for an old salt? And old salt being another means of saying seafaring man, or a tar, or a sea dog. Hey, how come they never call them sea cats? Sea cats. Did y'all know that I have a cat? Yes, sirree. I discovered a while back that my cat was taking singing lessons. She thought that if she could learn to sing like a canary, the birds would never notice that she was a cat. Should have called her Sylvester. Shucks, she even glued feathers on her fur one time to try to fool 'em. But they just sat up in the treetops and laughed at her. Now, I'm mighty fond of that crazy old cat. But there's nothing like the song of the birds to start your day off right.
When the sun in the morning peeps over the hill and kisses the roses round my windowsill, then my heart fills with gladness when I hear the trill of the birds in the treetops on Mockingbird Hill. Tra-la-la, twiddly-dee-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. Tra-la-la, twiddly-dee-dee, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on Mockingbird Hill. Got a three-cornered plow and an acre to till, and a mule that I bought for a $10 bill. There's a tumble-down shack and a rusty old mill, but it's my home sweet home up on Mockingbird Hill. Tra-la-la, twiddly-dee-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. Tra-la-la, twiddly-dee-dee, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on Mockingbird Hill. Tra-la-la, twiddly-dee-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. Tra-la-la, twiddly-dee-dee, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on Mockingbird Hill.
sweet.